what's up everybody, this is Mike. Welcome back to another video, and it seems DJI has finally listened as they have just introduced a brand new firmware update for the Mavic 3, fixing one of arguably the biggest weaknesses of this drone. Let's check it out. So if you're not sure what I mean by that, it's the extremely slow GPS acquisition. The GPS lock on the Mavic 3 sometimes takes up to 6 or 7 minutes until it gets enough satellites so you can safely take off, and that's extremely frustrating. So I haven't flown the Mavic 3 in a couple of days. I still haven't updated to the new firmware, which I will be doing right now, and then I'll go and test out the new firmware just to see if there is any improvement in the GPS lock speed. So let me do the firmware update real quick. Hopefully it will not take too much time. And then we're good to go and start our test. And from what I see, the biggest update from this 0600 firmware update is this added increased speed of searching for GPS. The other two things are just small bug fixes that are not that important in the grand scheme of things, so I'm really interested to check out this new GPS lock speed, as it will completely change my user experience with this drone from now on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Alright, the firmware is now installed 100%. We're all good to go, ready to pack up everything, and let's go check it out. Alright, so here we are in the local park, and I've tested this Mavic 3 maybe 20 meters away from this location, and it took about 4 minutes for a full GPS lock on a previous firmware. So now with the new firmware, I'm really excited to check out how long it will take for a full GPS lock. Let's see. So by the time I opened the app, the drone already had 4 satellites connected. It quickly jumped to 6, then 7, and it stayed at 7 for a while. I was aiming for that 12th satellite, knowing that this is when the drone is safe to take off, and this is also when you get the audio prompt saying that the home point has been updated and you can check it on the map. And all in all, the whole process took 47 seconds from start to finish for the full GPS lock for a safe takeoff.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map. It took, I think, less than 1 minute. I haven't seen the timer yet, but obviously it's a lot faster, and we can definitely see that straight away. And I would say the biggest problem we had previously is now definitely solved with the Mavic 3. The GPS lock is finally as we know it from previous drones. So I'm really happy about that. And now it's time to fly a bit and enjoy the scenery, enjoy the good weather. Let's see what we can do. All in all, I would say great update. It's not a massive one, but it fixes one of the biggest problems I had with this drone. So now I can actually take this out of the bag and be ready to fly in less than a minute, which is huge because I've missed so many good shots because of slow GPS lock before. Now it's in the past. So this is today's video. I hope you enjoyed this little bit of a more different vibe in today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop a like. Let me know what you think about the firmware update and these type of videos in the comment section below, and I'll be seeing you in my next one very soon. Ciao.